Hello everyone, welcome to week 12, the last week. In this week, we focus on the contemporary times and we see what shape Indian writing in English has taken. Normally, critics have found the contemporary writings not worthy of exploration or examination or serious concern itself. But critics like Anjaria, who will focus majorly on, give a radical turn to it, whereby Anjaria asks us to have a re-look at these contemporary writings because they democratize the readership. They have taken Indian English writing to very different frontiers and towards a very different readership. Writers like Chetan Bhagat, Tripathi, they have actually redefined Indian writing in English in that way. As a case study, we look at Anuja Chauhan's Those Pricey Thakur Girls, which has been kind of brushed aside as chicklit, popular literature or pulp, and we try to look at the concerns of globalized India and its readership, post-2000s readership about Indian writing in English, English's negotiation with a post-92 generation, and how it differs radically from the earlier focus on nostalgia, loss, on concerns about history, grand narratives, concerns about nation and its imagined communities. All those grand ideas take a spin in these popular works and they bring out a very interesting and important focus on the everyday. And also bring in a group of characters who were otherwise ignored for a long period of time. Looking at these concerns, and as Ulka Anjaria will call it, the heterogeneous space of the contemporary, this week, the last week, focuses on these writings which are paving new directions for Indian writing in English, which would be a good way to think about our course in general, which had started with Dean Mohammed's explorations of traditional genres, and to look at how that has translated into fashioning new idioms of English expressions from India.